If you've watched the last video, you know we ended the day arriving at Ben Nevis Holiday Park after that long but beautiful drive. But the adventure didn't end there. Today, in part 2, we're not just staying put, we're going full Highland mode. So buckle up, grab a cup, and let's dive into the adventure. Nothing says good morning in the Highlands quite like splashing your face with water straight from the river. Brisk, fresh. I mean, who needs coffee when your face is instantly frozen? And there are my friends and wife deciding to connect with nature. We sat down like our dads used to, cups of tea in hand, discussing business. Our first mission, find the mysterious shipwreck at Corpach. Sounds easy, but no, it's like a treasure hunt without the treasure map. There it was. This was our first real stop of the day, the mysterious shipwreck at Corpach, rusting away yet majestic. Here's my wife giving full pirate vibes, probably plotting how to commandeer the ship and start a new life at sea. Me and this shipwreck both just trying to hold it together for the camera. Next up, the famous Harry Potter bridge, the Glenfinnan Viaduct. We were here for the 1:20 p.m. crossing of the Jacobite steam train. But Scotland loves a plot twist. The train was late and only rolled in around 2 p.m. And to top it off, it wasn't even the steam engine that day. The crowd looked slightly heartbroken, but me, I was still impressed. Since the sun decided to go full summer mode, we headed to Silver Sands Beach at Morar. On the way, we pulled over to check out an old church. I sent my drone up for some aerial shots, and you could actually see Glenfinnan Viaduct far in the distance. Fun fact, drones aren't allowed at the viaduct itself because of construction cables. So I guess this was my sneaky workaround. The weather was boiling for Scotland standards, so we headed to Silver Sands Beach at Morar Peninsula. When we arrived, the tide was out, which made it feel massive and peaceful. Later, the water started to rise, and we decided to take a dip. Well, let's just say my swimming style is staying suspiciously close to shore. From above, the white sands and turquoise water made it feel like we'd teleported to the Caribbean, just with slightly chillier water. On the way back, we stumbled upon this loch with water so still it perfectly reflected the mountains around it. It was one of those moments where you just stand there in silence, soaking it in. Back at the holiday park, we cooked a delicious chicken karahi. So good we couldn't decide if it was actually delicious or if we were just starving. Probably both. Next morning, we started the journey back, but with a few more stops. First, the iconic Three Sisters viewpoint. An interesting fact about the Three Sisters is that they were used by the Clan MacDonald to hide their rustled cattle in the concealed valley, where a landslip blocked the entrance. This inaccessible glen provided a secret place to keep their ill-gotten livestock safe from raiders. Next stop, Buachaille Etive Mòr. It's stunning, but this beautiful valley has a dark past. Back in 1692, the Glencoe massacre happened here, a betrayal where guests were killed after being offered hospitality. Just a reminder that even the most beautiful places can hold the saddest stories. Our final scenic stop, the Falls of Clyde near Lanark. The drive to the falls was peaceful, but the sound of rushing water getting louder as we got closer. From above, with the drone, it looked even more magical. was it. Our Highland adventure came to an end as we drove back home to Sheffield, tired but happy, with a memory card full of Scotland's beauty and a stomach still dreaming about that chicken karahi.
These days are running slow. Sunsets and shores far from home. Headlights are shining on the sea. No place on earth I'd rather be. And I could try to just follow the swell, but I'll never find this anywhere.